Hi everyone, I am Vivan from class 7. Today our project is on ethical hacking. My friend Dan will explain about ethical hacking.
Good morning everyone. I am Jan from class 7. Today I am explaining about ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is a common practice which helps find security, is also known as white hat hacking. Now my friend Vivan will explain.
So, unethical hacking is the illegal practice of using hacking to their advantage for fun, also known as black hat hacking.
Now I am going to explain about what are the types of unethical hacking. There are of many types like cyber criminal, cyber terrorist and hacktivist. Now my friend Harsha is explaining about our project.
Our project is about how the hacking happens. Now, when we look at our software, it's called as Blank Grabber. Blank Grabber steals information and is used both for ethical and unethical hacking. Now I'll show my project. PingMe, the software we use has something called PingMe. It sends information that the grabber has worked and gives the information of the person or the victim who has ran the software. Now the next option is anti-VM. Anti-VM, also known as anti-virtual machine, where when clever people are going to use virtual machines to run the software, it bypasses the software and shows the actual computer and the information it gives. Put on startup. It puts on the startup of the folder. When we turn on the computer, it instantly runs and sends the information once again. Melt stub. Once the program is ran, it will delete itself with no traces of its presence. Pump stub. It is mainly for it is used for the. It is like a clone which makes the file size of the file bigger and more trustworthy. We can change the file size according to our wish. For example, we can make it 100 bytes or 1 KB or 1 MB, depending on what we want. Then we have webcam. If we have a camera which is connected to the device, it will directly send a screenshot of the device webcam and it will send it directly to us. Passwords. If you have Chrome or anything else, it will send the passwords to you. Cookies. Cookies is like a website's mainframe and it can be used to log into accounts without a password or 2FA, meaning two-factor authorization. History. It sends the history or whatever links or sites we open. Autofills. Whatever the Chrome suggests us for the passwords and Gmails, it will send it to you. Discord tokens. The software which sends the.
Start.
Okay, so there is games. It will also send the game passwords also. Wallets. It will send the crypto wallet or cryptocurrency, whatever the victim has. Wi-Fi passwords. It will send the Wi-Fi password which is connected. Then we have system information. It will send everything, including the system information which is shown here. See here, this is the computer name. It will show the serial number of the computer. Computer OS. OS is short form of operating system. It is Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. It will show the memory. It will also show the memory of the computer. 8 GB. Its UUID is also known as the activation package for the computer. It is CPU. Okay. This is the IP. It shows the current location of the computer or where it is. Region. It will show the region. Country. It will show where the country is located. And time zone. Time zone is the time we see here. Cellular network. The network we use to reach on our phones and mobile devices. It will show here if it has it. VPN and proxy. Virtual private network of proxy. It will show if the computer is using a virtual private network which is located in a different region for specific reasons. Grabbed information. It will show whatever it has grabbed and give it as a file named blank admin WinRAR. Downloaded the file in a zip folder. When we extract this file, it will show whatever we have grabbed, and it will show passwords and everything else. Common files, whatever the common files are put in the startup, it will show that. Credentials, it will show the whatever web browser using, it will show it. It will show its autofills, cookies and histories. When we move back, we have Microsoft Edge. It will also show it will show every single browser in one folder. Directories, it will show what we saw in the Discord. It will show here as well. Messenger, whatever communicating software we use, it will show here as well. When we go to the system, it can show the antivirus we're using, the clipboard, the copy paste we have done, then the MAC addresses, system information and task lists. With the Wi-Fi network passwords. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.